Hello, calculus fans. Let's let f of x be equal to 4x cubed minus 5x. And what I'd like to do is find a formula for f prime of x. All right, we're going to use the definition of the derivative function. F prime of x is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Let's plug these numbers into our function. So we have the limit as h goes to 0, 4 times x plus h quantity cubed minus 5 times x plus h minus all of f of x, which is 4x cubed minus 5x. Make sure you've got these parentheses in here because that minus sign is going to have to distribute. All right, so we're going to multiply everything out. So we multiply out that x plus h cubed, and now we'll do the distributing of everything, and we get this big mess, and a whole bunch of stuff is going to cancel. Okay, now after doing canceling, you should rewrite what you've got. We got limit as h goes to 0 of 12x squared h plus 12x h squared plus 4h cubed minus 5h all over h. Now factor out the h and cancel it. And now it's okay to use the direct substitution property to get 12x squared minus 5. Now that's the answer, but I'd like to think about the interpretation of this answer. This is saying, among other things, that the slope of the tangent line to the curve f of x equals 4x cubed minus 5x at the point x f of x is 12x squared minus 5. That limit is going to exist for all x, so the domain of f prime is the set of all real numbers. Now let's suppose somebody asked us, now what is the slope of the tangent line to y equals 4x cubed minus 5x at the point where x is equal to 3? Now we could just go ahead and evaluate this limit, and it would work out just fine. But we've already calculated the derivative. That derivative is 12x squared minus 5. So now it's much easier, if we want to know what's the slope of the tangent line at x equals 3, just plug in 3 into the derivative and we'll get our answer. So this is going to be 12 times 3 squared minus 5. That works out to 103. Okay, that's all for now.